Welcome to my September edition of my monthly report on how much I make selling my images as stock photography. I'm Jason Yoder. On my channel, I take you on all the adventures that I have while capturing my images. I invite you to click the subscribe button and follow me on my adventures. In 2 weeks, my fall photography starts with locations in North Dakota, Indiana, and Japan. If you'd like to support this channel further, check out patreon.com/EWJ. There, you'll be able to download desktop backgrounds of my favorite images, access my locations newsletter giving you all the locations where I eat, sleep, drive, and of course the GPS coordinates of my photo locations. You'll also get access to behind-the-scenes videos, private photo shoots, and early access to my episodes. Now on to the images that sold for the very first time.
From Reapers Ford to Watertown, and maybe Johnson City or Memphis bound. No matter where I go, no matter what I see, I still hear the calling of Tennessee. Who even know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow? The sun is gonna rise each and every time, and I've still got Tennessee on my mind. I miss the smoke on the Cumberland and the fireflies at midnight, and the color of the leaves in the fall.
Here are the best-selling images from some of the agencies that I upload to. Deposit Photo starts this list with an image from Kettle Cove, Maine. The rugged coastline of Maine offers many opportunities for photography. This image earned me $1.70. Next up, Getty Images. At $2.22, this sunset over the Sonoran Desert only hints at the photographic possibilities of the American Southwest. Once more, my images of the U.S. Capitol continue to sell very well on ShutterStock. This time, the top earner for the month was $3.48. One of my personal favorites is the sunset over a trail here in Arizona. Not only did this image get me $6.37 on Adobe Stock, but it is also on display at my neighborhood community center. Here are the totals for each stock agency that I contribute to. And here's how September stacked up against past years. Will this be my first $2,000 year? With the world opening back up, is Japan only the beginning of my international travels? You'll have to subscribe and tune back every Sunday to find out. Thank you for watching, and as always, please consider adopting a shelter animal or give a donation to your local animal shelter.